Hi guys, I finally got all the characters of Friends in the McDonald's series. So I tried to buy them all at once, but they just wouldn't let me, so I had to buy the meal a few times, and yesterday I finally got the last one. So let's unbox these together and show you how they look. So let's get into it. So this one is the Chandler figurine, and let's just do it. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Just cute with the duck, the yellow duck. Okay. And then it gets his stand, so let's put it in, and just look how cute that looks. I love the face, it's so cute. Next we've got the Monica figurine, and there she is, and let's open her up and let's see. This is so fun and exciting. Okay. So hers is a greyish colour, light grey, and of course she's the chef, and just look how cute this looks. I just love it, it's so freaking cute. There she is, Monica. Got the Rachel figurine. Okay, so she's gonna be the one with the coffee and the waitress. So she's the waitress. Hers is blue, and okay, just look how cute with the cup in the hand and her waitress thingy on. She's cute. I love her hair. It looks nice. And there she is. So next we've got Phoebe, which is one of my favorites. And they all are my favorites, but I love Phoebe. It's like, who doesn't? These are purple, and of course she's gonna have a guitar. Must be. Okay, she's blonde, and she's got the guitar. It's like, smelly cat, smelly cat. So let's just put her in and just look how cute she is. Got the Ross figurine, as you can see. So he's gonna have the monkey. Okay, so he's a reddish maroon color. Yes, like I thought. He's got the monkey, and he's got his red jacket on because he's the clever one working in the museum. And just look how cute, guys. All of them are so cute. Last one, of course, is Joey, also one of my favorite characters. Okay, and he also got the duck, the white duck, where Chandler had the yellow duck, and his stand is orange. So let's put it in. Just look how cute, guys. I just love them. That's unboxing of my Friends figurines from McDonald's. I love them. They are so cute. Phoebe is like the cutest. For me, she's the cutest, and I'm excited to put these on their place. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you got them and which one you still need, and which one is your favorite. Bye guys.